need an operations manager. I actually did bring on someone who's just recently retired, working for the Army, and he's all sales. He's a great sales guy. So, um, that could open up for more, also younger generation that maybe that's what they want to do, is just they're go-getters and want to work on commissions. And if they work it hard, they can bring in more business and work the sales side. So there's opportunities in different areas. And then obviously as a resume builder, like, I have this 18-year-old, you got to be 18-year-old to do junk removal. It's just
Right.
state law. It's considered a hazardous duty. But, to a kid starting out, like, I understand this might not be a career that you want to stay in. Work hard. And that is, the next employer might say, wow, I mean, you did all that, you did all this,
Right.
um, you
Hmm.
know, knowing and knowing your metals and being able to sort through ferrous and non-ferrous metals and that kind of thing. So working towards something, that is, working hands-on in the trades, I think it'd be a great jump start.